Hey everybody, this is Joseph at Chuck Hut Nissan in Jackson, Tennessee. Just wanted to give you a few minutes of a walk around of this beautiful 2025 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X with the long wheelbase. Don't that color just pop? So stick with me for a few minutes. We'll go over a couple of details on this truck, and I really think you're going to love it. I mean, I love it so much, I got one for myself. So if that tells you anything, it's a pretty good truck. So just give me a few minutes of your time. Let's take a walk around of this beautiful truck, and I think you might find something that really means a lot to you. And hopefully we can get you in one very soon. So stick around, take a look, give me a few minutes out of your day. Let's have some fun, and let's go over this amazing, beautiful Nissan Frontier. First thing I want to showcase here is the beautiful 6-foot bed. Now that's coming with the long wheelbase. If you go with the short wheelbase, you will have a 5.5-foot bed. You also, on this one in particular, have this added step, a dampening tailgate, and this tailgate is also lockable. We've got some goodies on the inside as well. Don't think I was leaving the inside unattended. Listen, we've got some dual climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated outside mirrors, this brand new 12.3-inch display. Can't beat it. Super jealous of anybody that has a screen like this. It's awesome. You also will have your beautiful Pro unique leather, a 6-way power driver's seat, 4-way power passenger seat, ton of goodies in this, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot. We've got it all. And don't get me started on that beautiful sunroof. I mean, just look at the interior of this truck. And yes, you do have plenty of charging ports as well. You have a Type A and a Type C USB in the front and back, and also this 120-volt charger. There's your subwoofer for the sound system. You also have a bunch of storage in the back seat. You can lift each seat up by just lifting this lever right here and pulling the seat up as you do that, or you can take the back of the seat, pull on this strap, and the back of the seat will fold down. This beautiful truck will also come with Fender audio. You will have 10 speakers plus the subwoofer I just showed you in this beautiful Fender audio package. And listen, I'm a guitar player too, as well as a car salesman. And let me tell you, I love the Fender audio. It's beautiful. Wireless charger for your phone. I mean, you've got everything you could possibly want in this truck. And they even give you some goodies. And I know what you're saying, Joseph, what's in the kits? What's in here? What is this? Well, you get an adventure med kit. You also get an off-road adventure kit. It's got you some good stuff for going camping or anything like that. And you also have a seat back organizer, which is what you're seeing now. Just put that bad boy in the back of the seat, put whatever you need to in there. No more cluttered up truck. You've got space for everything you need. So with that being said, take one more look at this beautiful truck with its nice LED lights shining bright, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's put you in a truck today.